3 on your...
A school nurse allegedly stole their children's medication and gave them allergy pills instead, and a court agreed they should get compensated for the kids' pain.
But 15 months after the settlement, the families haven't seen a dollar, and they put the blame squarely on the probate court and its judge. WSAV's Andrew Davis joining us now with a News 3 investigation.
A writ of mandamus. That's the once rare legal action that probate court judge Tom Bordeaux has now faced 5 times in 3 years. The latest 9 Savannah families who say they just want the money they're entitled to. But more than that, they say they want their kids' ordeal to be over.
It's an almost miscarriage of justice, really.
That's why Mark Tate says he filed a writ of mandamus against the Chatham County Probate Court.
And it's to force the court to do something that they're supposed to do under their oath when they took that oath.
An oath Tate says Judge Tom Bordeaux is violating by not approving the settlement with a staffing company back in 2019 over a nurse allegedly tampering with medicine for kids at Marsh Point Elementary.
There have been bench briefs supplied. There have been at least 4 phone calls to the court, a letter to the court from defense counsel saying, what are we doing here?
I have like Charlie Brown cloud above my head. It's raining, you know, lightning. It's like, when is this going to be over?
Joanne Smith says she and her daughter Emily are just trying to move on.
Do you feel in a way that the judge now has broken your trust as well?
Oh yeah. He's supposed to protect us and protect our children, and he's not doing that.
Tate's writ is one of 5 filed against Bordeaux since 2018. The other 4 all related to gun permit requests. In his written response to this complaint, Judge Bordeaux blames the Chatham County Commission. There is significant understaffing and a lack of sufficient funding, he writes in the document, along with a difficult and overwhelming workload and the COVID-19 global pandemic, which has significantly slowed the work of the defendant and the entire probate court. It's a complaint that Bordeaux brought to the commission's attention back in June of 2019.
I simply cannot do my job without having a law clerk.
But the numbers don't back up Bordeaux's claims. In the past 3 years, the probate court budget for personnel alone has increased $175,000, and the total probate court budget has risen almost $270,000.
It's quite stunning that somebody who wanted this job now claims they're overwhelmed, can't do the job, is not doing the job, and instead blames the county commission for not giving him enough stuff. You can't point the finger at the person that's responsible for your paycheck when you're not doing your job.
Now, we reached out to Judge Tom Bordeaux about all the complaints. He would not talk on camera, but instead referred me simply to his written response, which we told you. I also asked County Commission Chairman Chester Ellis about Bordeaux's complaints about his budget. Ellis refused to make any comment. We'll keep you updated when or if this case is ever resolved. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.